Alexa, open Siklu self-install.
Welcome to your Siklu self-install assistant. It's easy to install your gigabit internet. I'll guide you through. To start, say how to install.
How do I install?
I'll guide you how to install Siklu Access Point. There are 3 stages. First, I need to know your address, so I'll tell you where to install the box. Second, I need to know when you complete the physical install. Lastly, we'll confirm that the green light is on. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Please tell me your address.
880 Monica Lane, San Jose.
Thank you. According to our record, you need to install the box on the southeast wall, facing Monica Lane. Say done when you finish up the physical installation and connect the unit to power.
Done.
Okay, I just finished the provisioning and confirmed your service. Your gigabit service is up and running.